Hello, little piña. Is that you, piña? Look, look how. Look. Yes, look. Little piña, little piña. Alaka. Did you see that? How cute. This one is the cutest. Yan. Oops. And then this is the malaki na niya. Hala. See that? Pinya siya. Pero I don't know anong tawag dito. Anong pangalan nito because they are very maliit. Look, aray ko. Look how liit lang. Look, aray. Look how liit lang siya. Oh. As in pinya. Diba? Pinya. Alaka. The smallest pinya we found in durian farm and resort. Alaka. Yes, they have. Uy, they are so cute. Ayan. Diba? They are cute. Oh. Oops. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ang liliit niyan. Oops. Oh, diba? Yan. Ang ganda nila tingnan. Tingnan niya ang kanilang katawan. Katawan nila yan. Tapos, ang liliit lang ng kanilang bunga. See. They are so beautiful. Oops. Yan. Sinisilip ko pa yung pinya kasi sobrang laki. Kasing laki lang ng aking kamay. Diba? Yan lang aray ko. Yes, aray ko. May pinya bang ganyan kalaki? Pwede, look like pinya talaga. Aray. They have a cute dahon.